There's these crows that have to be in this tower in England, and they say if they're gone, the city will fall. And then there's Bran the Broken. There's like this whole thing with all of that. And if you slow the word down, sang crow in city, synchronicity, synchro in city, synchronicity. Is there something to that? As a priestess, Hermes Trismegista type shit. As a medium, and as someone who Crow has decided to work with here and there. Because you don't choose these things. These things see if you are even able to handle what they have to put down on you. As a person who Crow has allowed me to work with it, or I've been able to handle what. See, I just come humbly to the Crow because you don't want to fuck with Crow. Okay, people go mad fucking with Crow. Don't fuck with Crow. Saying Crow in city, and when you are in your hermit, in your priestess, high priestess, silence is golden. You're sitting, city. You're sitting your energy. Your sit energy, like a dog. Sit. The energy is sitting. Sit still in a meditative state, like Yoda. I will meditate on this and find out. Saying crow in city. Synchronicity. The more we stare at the abyss, the more it stares back. And that's what a synchronicity is. And that's why people can go mad if they stay with the crow. Like they go after Crow. Like, I want to work with Crow. No. Crow just comes in here and there. It comes and it goes as it pleases. Don't try to hold on to Crow. Don't try to hold on to your synchronicities, because it's kind of like the Lord of the Rings, the Two Towers, where they're following Gollum through the swamps. You're wanting to look at the lights because they keep you feeling happy through your dark night. And you don't want to do that. Don't follow the lights, or you'll be lighting candles of your own.